Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the DISH POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to set up permissions for users. First, click on General. Then go to User Groups. Click on the Edit icon to change the settings for the respective user group. Once the chosen user group settings window opened, you have three options when setting permissions. The user either has none, only read or read and write permissions for the chosen function. To edit the permissions, click on a function category to unfold the sub-functions. In this case, we want to enable the recycling deposit function. To set this permission, select the corresponding checkbox. Then click on Save to apply the changes. For the changes to take effect, the users in the selected user group must log out and log in again. To do this, click on your profile. Then select Log Out. Back in the login area, enter your credentials and click on Log In. The changes are now effective. To check on it, go to the top category of the function. In this example, the function is found under General. Since we've given permission for recycling deposits, packaging profiles, in this example, the user will now find the new function in the menu. Note, if you revoke a permission, the function will no longer be displayed in the menu. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to set up permissions for users.